And every step I take for you, I know I got it. All things are possible. You are God. Now can replace Jesus, lover of my soul. You never let me go. You never let me go. Jesus, it's your love that covers everything. I hold you close inside of me. I'll never let you go. All this life I live is fully yours alone. I have nothing without you. Oh. And with my eyes set high and my will laid low, constant on the road, your perfect peace I hold. Everything is yours. Everything is yours. I'm never gonna be the same. Jesus, lover of my soul. You never let me go. You never let me go. Jesus, lover of my soul. You never let me go. You never let me go. Jesus, it's your love that covers everything. I hold you close inside of me. I'll never let you go.
Isn't that beautiful? Whew, y'all should know. It's freezing. And last night, can you see him? Last night when the storm came through, I don't know what it's doing in California, but oh my word, it rained so hard for so long, and then it got really quiet, and I thought, oh no. And I looked out, and we were covered in snow again. Now the worst part of this storm was that my wood piles, somebody made fun of me for having tarps on my wood in the desert. I should have had tarps on my wood. So the good news is things really, they dry out pretty quick here, especially when the wind picks up. And it was amazing yesterday, all the wind that came before the storm. It was like, I'm not kidding. I got a dust storm warning. I was like, how is there dust? It's been raining for weeks. So, well, that's about all I videoed is snow and more snow And y'all, there's so much snow in my gutters, I just realized. Oh my gosh, they're gonna fall down. Look at this. Oh dear. Well, one of them already had. Oh my goodness. There, it's a mess. Too much snow. Here, I'll show you. Sometimes it's just too much. I'm not caught up with the other things I need to do. And now I got more things broke. Oh, gee. You know, I went out one morning and made the mistake of trying to get... I tried to get the ice off the solar panels using a piece of cardboard because, as it turns out, I don't have an ice scraper any longer. Oh my goodness. But I've got about, it says 2 days of sunny before the next storm comes through. And I've got repair work that I need to do, chores I need to do because I couldn't do them because it was snowing, and my solar panels, I tried to scrape them with a broom and it won't, so I'm not getting my good charge over there, so I need to go do that again. I tried to do it earlier and I couldn't get most of it off, but it's sitting in the sun now. Finally the sun has come out. It's been behind some of them clouds. But maybe my batteries will get charged today, because they didn't yesterday, but not if I don't get that snow off of there. Meantime, I'm going to show you my latest crochet project. Is a granny square throw for Sarah's vintage it's a 1970 something international orange and black travelall. I'll try to put some pictures in here. And she's using it for doing little mini photo shoots. And she does the retro thing. And I will have to ask permission if I can use one of her photographs that she sent me. And they were just amazing. And I just can't get over it. I've never seen so much snow in the desert. This is my... Let's see, I was here in the winter of 2018, 2019. Is that 4 winters? Because the winter, yeah, the harshest winter was the first one when I got here. And I didn't have my wood stove. But see my pipe? The wind blew so hard that it leaned the one that's in the ground. So I'm hoping things will dry up. But as I went to sleep last night with downpour of rain, I thought, I'm parked in a wash. Dear Father, please don't let us float away. And there's nothing I can do. So I'm just going to leave it up to you. And this morning, we're still here. Oh my goodness. Okay. I just wanted to give you a little update today, show you a couple of projects I'm working on, and the weather, because they don't really report about it, because, you know, it's Arizona, and the worst case is happening in California. Then it just drags right over top of me, and then by the time it gets out east, it's a major thing for y'all. I just can't get over it. Look how beautiful. I love y'all.
May the road rise to meet you and the sun kiss your face. May there always be a miracle waiting just to bless your day. Life won't always hand you roses. Don't let it get you down. Keep your eyes on what your goal is and your feet on solid ground. Take this with you where you go. You are love, 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 loved. You are loved, yeah, you are. You are love, 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 loved. You are loved, yeah, you are. Might you walk courageously through the valley of your doubt. Might you always strive to just keep believing in yourself. When the trouble comes, and it will, hold your head up high, shine a light as bright as you can till your trouble passes by. And always know you are love, 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 loved. You are loved, yeah, you are. You are love,